This four-door sedan still has less than 10,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, front dual-zone air conditioning, and remote keyless entry. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.